Alright folks, so you can just see the car back there, the campfire's on over there as well. Well, I'm just having a little wander to this elder tree. And this elder tree has got, a whole lot of jelly here on. So I'm just gonna get myself sorted and swap the camera around and I'll give you a look. Alright, so this here is a jelly ear. And you'll often find jelly ears grown on elder trees. They can sometimes appear on like other hardwoods, but they've got a distinct ear-like shape underneath. Soft and rubbery. It does dry when it gets older and dries out. It does become a lot harder. And here's some slightly older ones. Right, so they do get a lot tougher when they're dry, but don't let that put you off. If you do find a dry one, you can just still pick them, take them home and rehydrate them, so they're quite good. They are edible, but they are quite mild in flavour, so not much flavour to them at all, but great to put in soups, stir fries, broths. The Chinese really enjoy them. They call them wood ears. Oh, they do look like little ears. Sorry about the camera shaking, I'm trying not to fall over. Right, here's a lovely young, what, 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 in a little cluster. Little baby one there, another 3 grown. We've got quite a few young ones. So I'll just pick one of these ones to show you. Oh. You can see there how it does look like a little ear. Very soft and rubbery. Right, so got this little jelly ear. And you can't eat them raw, but it's not recommended. It's always best to cook. But I can just have a little nibble. But very jelly-like. Well, not much flavour. So yeah, jelly ear, and they like to grow on elder trees. So with the elder tree, have a look, and it's got this very cork-like bark, and you can actually squish it. You can dig your fingernail in it, you can squish it. But when on the dead ones, like this bit here, you can see where some of the barks fell off, and that's like solid wood. So it's like the outer bark that's really cork-like, but absolutely fantastic. Little wild edible that we can just chuck into soups, stews, stir fries again. So you can either boil it and then quickly fry it, or dice it up into little sort of slithers, chuck that in the frying pan and fry it up. Yeah, add it to stir fries. Absolutely lovely. Happy foraging. So we can just see as well, the elder tree has got a compound leaf made up of 5 little leaflets. 2 sets of opposite, and a terminal leaf here with serrated edges. See if my camera's going to focus. Yeah, you can see there the serrated edges. And it does also produce the elderberries. And I think there's a poor cluster just there.